Hi guys, it's Jay here with another unboxing. This time I've got a Burberry scarf. This is my first Burberry actually product and unboxing on this channel. So it comes in this ribbon here. It's quite nice actually, it's a red one. So let's just get down to it. So online it's $2.90. I got it from Terminal 4, so that's around, I think, 20% off, and it comes up to, let me just check how much I paid for it, £232. So it comes with some ribbon. The packaging is actually really nice compared to, it feels really like sturdy. So it comes like this. I did want the tube, but I mean, I don't know, I think they were out of stock of the tube, and they had these cardboard boxes. So let me just check. So this is from the new collection, and I went into the store in Westfield and I saw this one, and I actually really liked it. So I did really want this, and it comes like this. And I chose this colour. It is really nice for the winter, and it's really thick. So comes with all the tags on here. This is, I believe, the graphic crest band, and online it was, I'll put all the stuff in the description down below. But it was the Burberry bandana in crest detail wool cashmere. So it is really nice actually. So it comes like that, and it's got this print on there as well. I'll show you. And it's got Burberry on there, either side. So it's really thick. I got my Gucci one on at the moment, so I mean, I did try this on in the shop. Like, you could have it a few different ways. And let me just check. There was one you could have. It was just like this, with a nice coat over the top with a big collar. Or there was another way, which the lady, the SA in the store actually showed me when I went to actually look at it, is you just roll it up like this. And you just use it as a normal scarf. So actually this colour is really nice. It's really like a burnt orange, it is. So it is really nice, and it is really thick. So I believe this was a good purchase. I didn't want to buy the actual checkered Burberry scarf. I just felt like everyone has that, and it's just a staple in the collection. But I wanted to go with something a bit different, which was this, and I think I made a good purchase. So hopefully I get a lot of wears out of it, because it is starting to get cold here in England, in London. And yeah, this will be good. I just need to get a nice coat with this. Anyway, if you would like to see some more unboxings, just comment below. I'll put all the links to the scarf and anything else on this as well, if I can find it, because this was, I think, 2 seasons ago actually, so I think they did stop making it. Anyway, I hope you have a great weekend, and I shall catch you next week sometime.